The surround vision camera can give you a look at areas on all sides of the vehicle, making for great awareness during low-speed maneuvers. To activate the camera, shift the vehicle into reverse or touch the camera icon on the color touchscreen. You can change the camera views displayed by touching the icons along the bottom of the screen. With the first icon on the left side, you can toggle between the front and rear standard views. The next icon lets you toggle between front and rear overhead views. The icon in the middle engages the side view cameras. Use it to toggle between side forward and side rearward views. Touch the fourth icon to open an additional segment in the screen that displays the top-down view of the area surrounding the vehicle. And the icon on the right becomes active when a view that supports guidance lines is in use. Touch that icon to display your choices for the guidance line modes. See the vehicle's owner's manual for even more details. You can download one at mygarage.honda.com.